नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, कल की अहमदाबाद की दुर्घटना, हम सभी शोक संतप्त परिवार की अपनी हार्दिक संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं और भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि सभी की आत्मा को शांति मिले। वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हुए बात करते हैं कि फोरम ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर एक्टिविस्ट के श्री जी एन शुक्ला जी ने एक मैसेज शेयर किया। मोस्ट अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन अहेड, no matter how much the matter reprimanded the dog is a dog is ever faithful animal, habitually starts tail wagging seeing the master. When the master hints, the dog runs close, smells the fields first, pulls out the tongue, crying slowly, con with tail wagging. The dog feels that the master would be pleased of his loyalty and take care. This is a parable. It has nothing to do with anyone dead or alive. It's just around us. We need to observe. यानी कि मालिक के पीछे दुम दुम हिलाना. It was learned that AIBRF had to postpone its office bearers meeting scheduled to be held on 18 and 19 June, as the President and a General Secretary have received an appointment to meeting your view on 18 June. What for the appointment granted is not revealed. जैसा कि आपको याद होगा कि कल AIBRF ने एक सर्कुलर रिलीज करके बताया था कि उनके प्रेसिडेंट और जनरल सेक्रेटरी को यूपीयू लीडरशिप द्वारा अपॉइंटमेंट दिया गया है 18/6 को बैंक रिटायरीज के एक्सग्रेसिया, प्राइवेट बैंक के एक्सग्रेसिया के बारे में डिस्कशन करने के लिए. इट हैज़ बीन murmured that some current issues like pensioners, pension updation, ex-gratia review, ex-gratia to private bank issues have to be discussed. By the way of UOB was last seen on Marina Beach, Chennai long back. Probably the informations about the pensioners issues have erased from the mind of leaders of big working unions which they want to retrieve and learn from Sri S.C. Jain. The provisions of pension settlement, the decision of the small committee, the provisions of Regulation 35(1) and 56 settlement of the RBI pension revision, the ex gratia agreement 8 March 24 and its provisions all have evaporated from the mind of leaders of all the big working unions. That's why expert S.C. Jain has been called to enlighten, though all these facts are in written form. Giving appointment to meet is a bourgeois culture. The trade unions hold meeting on issues and people participate in the meetings, express their views on issues. This is the trade union culture where equality, coexistence and concern are basics. Meet, search with an appointment is the bureaucratic behavior. Before this, such a call has never come, then it is a natural that chest of S.C. Jain may go expanded. He is somewhat so pleased as if he is going to meet US President Trump. Experts opine that the hectic maneuver of the pensioner activists, their groups, and intervention of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh at government level in pensioners matters has posed a serious threat to the relevance of big working unions. With the intervention of BMS, the 12th bipartite settlement was reached in 12 to 14 months. Resolution of long pending issues like 30% family pension, 100% DA to pre-November 2002 pensioners, uniform ex gratia to pre-1986 retirees, pension to resignees, etc. have had happened due to the BMS intervention. Despite a conspiracy to sidetrack the pension revision in the name of sub judice, the ex gratia amount to pensioners from November 22 is not a minor achievement, especially when the IB and the unions have jointly announced on 25th May 2015 that pensioners have no contractual relationship with their banks. The ex gratia amount settlement restored contractual relationship abrogated on 25th May 2015. Now, pensioners are part of the bipartite settlement processes and they have a right to have the pension revision with the wage revision. Credibility by big unions has been deeply eroded. Bankmen have started calling them a management dalal. Pittu, it is said that big leaders are taking commissions in the health insurance deal of the employees' pensioners. Big leaders are brought by management. Leaders have become IBA spokesperson. This time, the activism of activists and their groups hurt the levy proposed prospects, usually which unions use to recover from wages arrears. Numero uno leaders are seen under frustration and crying. They have realized that the next settlement would be concluded before November 27 and the levies earnings should be vanished. Levies are being recovered from bankmen like jizya tax. It must stop. If it is a pension updation, then it cannot be postponed to do it on the RBI line. It would be better if the settlement is reached out of the court. Otherwise, it will be from court. Banks IBA will have to pay heavy costs, including jail to someone. To say that there is no provision for pension updation in pension regulation in affidavit in Honorable Supreme Court of India is a white lie, a deliberately committed misconduct of suppressing the material fact with malified intention to mislead the Honorable Court to derive unfair advantage. The concerned officer who has filed the affidavit has to bear the burden. It's punishable crime. They have to review the ex gratia amount. The ongoing process of loot of welfare funds will have to stop and pensioner will have to be given health insurance at the bank cost. The conspiracy to deduct pay and creating a special allowance to reduce pensionary benefits will not be tolerated anymore. Discrimination between pre and post November 2022 pensioners will not be tolerated further and will have to be given DA on base year 2016 indices. Still no delay if issues are resolved amicably. GN शुक्ला, नेशनल कन्वीनर। एक बात तो सच है कि आज 13/6 की मीटिंग के बारे में आपने जान लिया। 17/6 को कॉन्सलेशन मीटिंग, 18/6 को SC जैन AIVRF का मीटिंग UOBU के साथ। लेकिन एक बातें याद रखने की चाहिए कि जैसा कि BMS के श्री गिरीश आर्या जी ने कहा था कि उन्होंने एन ओपन ऑफर दिया AIBPRC और AIVRF के लोगों को कि आप आइए, ज्वाइंटली कोऑर्डिनेट करें और हम बैंक रिटायरीज के जो इश्यूज है, सबसे बड़ा जो मुद्दा है बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन का, उसके बारे में ज्वाइंटली एफर्ट्स करें ताकि इसका रिजॉल्व हो सके। हाँ, ये भी सच है कि UOBU इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगी क्योंकि UOBU का एक ही सिद्धांत है कि जो रिटायरीज के इशूज हैं उनको विरोध किया जाए। आप मान लीजिए, जैसे कि आप देखिए कि 21/5 की मीटिंग में IBA के साथ जो ग्रुप मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस का था, उसमें उन्होंने ये मुद्दा उठाया था कि रिटायरीज का प्रीमियम बैंकों द्वारा वहन किया जाए। लेकिन आज 13/6 की मीटिंग में ये मुद्दा समाप्त हो गया। उसी तरह से पेंशन अपडेशन का मुद्दा जब आपका आता है तो कहता है सब जुडिस है, उसके बारे में बात नहीं की जाती है। लेकिन स्पेशल अलाउंस जो भी कोर्टों में पेंडिंग है वो भी सब जुडिस होने के बावजूद भी उसको हम उसके रेट्स को बढ़ाते जाते हैं। यानी कि दो तरफा दो मुँहा बात UOBU करती है। UOBU का एक ही मोटो है कि रिटायरीज का कोई भी काम ना होने पाए। इनफैक्ट दे आर द स्पोक्स पर्सन ऑफ द IBA। सो उनका काम केवल विरोध करना है। सो अगर भारतीय मजदूर संघ जो कुछ आगे बढ़ के बैंक रिटायरीज का भला करना चाहती है, तो जितने भी रिटायरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं जो CBPRO कहते हैं, वो सब लोग एकजुट के कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ क्यों नहीं आगे बढ़ते हैं, ताकि एक ही असली मुद्दा है, हम सारे विरोध छोड़ के, सारे ईगो छोड़ के बैंक रिटायरीज का जो काम है, इशूज हैं, उसको रिजॉल्व कराएं, ताकि बैंक रिटायरी जो 30 साल से इस भंवर जाल में फंस के रह गया कि 35(1) क्या है, 56(1) क्या है, BFR 95 क्या है, उससे उबर सके और चैन की जिंदगी जी सके। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।